Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Formation chance through 48 hours. 90%. Formation chance in 7 days.
Like right on the dot. Wow, right on the dot. Right, that was right on time for TBW to test. Now I'm just waiting on Miami to test.
Low pressure to form along a residual frontal boundary a few hundred.
Dang it.
Specially built receivers are automatic.
Nah, it says the required weekly test isn't turned on. Dang it.
Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday,
God darn it. Got to enable it.
Weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances.
At least it did get the weekly anyways.
Using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the no-weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
There we go.
This is No Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning that alarms for transmitting today when they became a 26.8 p.m. on less severe weather tracks. This concludes our weekly chat. We now return to regular programming.